all you need to know about making money online. If you would like to make money online like so many people all over the world, then you will want to read good tips to get you started. Each day people throughout the world look for different ways to cash in online, and now you can join those same people in pursuit of internet riches. Well, you probably won't get rich, but the following video has many great tips to help you get started making a little extra money online. Before you can earn money, you'll have to prove you're who you say you are. To get started working online, you will have to give personal information. You should have all your ID ready to convey digitally so that the process will be easy. Consider the things you already do, be they hobbies or chores, and consider how you can use those talents online. If you make your children clothing, make 2 of each and sell the extra on the internet. Love to bake? Offer your skills through a website and people will hire you. Remember to create a budget before you start to work online. You need to know what your overhead will be it the cost of your computer and internet connection if your work will be completely totally virtually, or any supplies you need if your plan is to sell items online. Begin a podcast talking about some of the things that you have interest in. If you get a high following, you may get picked up by a company who will pay you to do a certain amount of sessions per week. This can be something fun and very profitable if you are good at speaking. Now that you read the above video, you are aware of all the money-making possibilities that exist in the online world. The only thing left to do now is to put these tips into motion, and see how you can reap the benefits of online money. There are many consumers today who love to shop online, and there is no reason why you can't get in on the action. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.